Welcome to the EdbMails Office 365 to Exchange Public Folder Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails Office 365 migration software lets you seamlessly migrate public folders from Microsoft 365 to on-premises Exchange. It performs incremental migration, transferring only new or modified data while preserving folder structure, permissions, and metadata. The software ensures secure migration with SSL/TLS encryption, OAuth 2.0, and MFA, and complies with ISO, GDPR, and HIPAA standard. Let's walk through the process of migrating Office 365 public folders to Exchange Server using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Office 365 Migration. Select Office 365 to Live Exchange Migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Office 365. Select the required connection method. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the public folders. Click Next to continue. Expand the public folder. Select the folders that you wish to migrate. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Exchange server. Select the required connection options. Click Next to continue. Enter the target Exchange server details. Click Login to continue. Select the required option to load the public folder. Click Next to continue. EdbMails automatically maps public folders between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it for effortless Office 365 public folder to Exchange migration. Visit edbmails.com today.